Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. If you're in the United States and own a car, one thing you absolutely need is car insurance. Today we're going to walk you through a comprehensive guide, a step-by-step process to get car insurance in the USA. We're here to help, whether you're a first-time car owner or you're thinking about switching providers. So buckle up and get ready to navigate the world of car insurance with us. Let's dive right in. Before we start the process, it's crucial to understand some basic concepts about car insurance in the USA. So what exactly is car insurance? In simple terms, car insurance is a contract between you, the car owner, and an insurance company. It's designed to provide financial protection in the event of accidents, theft, or damage to your vehicle. It's not just a legal requirement across most of the United States, but also a savvy way to shield yourself from unexpected financial burdens related to your vehicle. Now let's delve into the different types of car insurance coverage available to you. First off, we have liability coverage. This type of insurance covers the costs if you're legally responsible for an accident that causes injury or property damage. Next up, there's collision coverage, which helps pay for the repair or replacement of your car if it's damaged in an accident with another vehicle or object. Then we have comprehensive coverage. This provides an extra level of protection covering damage to your car from factors other than a collision, such as fire, theft, vandalism, or natural disasters. Last but not least, there's uninsured or underinsured motorist coverage. This comes into play if you're involved in an accident with a driver who either doesn't have insurance or whose insurance is insufficient to cover the costs. Understanding each type is key to choosing the right policy. By getting a good grasp of these basics, you're well on your way to navigating the car insurance landscape with confidence. Before you start shopping for insurance, assess your needs. It's essential to take a personalized approach to car insurance. Not all drivers and vehicles require the same level of coverage, and your unique circumstances should guide your decision-making process. Firstly, consider your budget. How much can you comfortably afford to pay for insurance each month? Keep in mind that while higher deductibles can lower your monthly premium, they also mean you'll pay more out of pocket if an accident occurs. Secondly, take a close look at your car's value. If you're driving an older model, for instance, you might decide that comprehensive and collision coverage aren't worth the extra cost. Lastly, evaluate your driving habits. If you're frequently on the road and covering long distances, you might want to opt for more extensive coverage. Conversely, if you only drive occasionally, a basic policy may suffice. This will help you decide on the type and amount of coverage you need. Next, research insurance companies. This process is far from tedious. Think of it as a detective game where you're searching for the best ally for your car. Start by making a list of potential companies and dig into their reputation. Seek out customer reviews and ratings to get a feel for the experiences of others. Don't forget to check their financial stability. After all, you want a company that'll be there when you need them most. Reputable financial rating agencies like AM Best can provide this information. Examine their claim process too. Is it straightforward? Is their customer service responsive and helpful? These are key factors that can make a world of difference when you're in a tight spot. Lastly, consider the range of coverage options they offer. Do they provide the types of coverage you need? You can use online tools and comparison websites to get quotes from multiple insurers. This way, you'll get a clear picture of what you can expect to pay for the coverage you need. When you're ready to apply, gather personal information such as your driver's license, vehicle registration, and any existing insurance policy details. This step is crucial, as most insurance companies need these documents to assess your eligibility and calculate your premium. Keep in mind, the more accurate and complete your information, the more precise your quote will be. It's all about being prepared. Remember, a smooth application process starts with having all the necessary information at your fingertips. Having this information on hand will make the process smoother. Request quotes from several insurance companies. This is a crucial step in the process of securing car insurance. Most insurance companies offer free online quote tools that allow you to input your personal information and vehicle details to receive a preliminary estimate of your insurance costs. When requesting quotes, honesty is the best policy. Provide accurate information about your driving history, the make and model of your vehicle, and any other factors that may influence your insurance rates. Remember, any inaccuracies can lead to discrepancies later on, which might affect your coverage or premiums. It's also wise to request quotes for different types of coverage. This will give you a clearer picture of how much you can expect to pay for various levels of protection. For instance, you might want to compare rates for liability-only coverage, collision coverage, and comprehensive coverage. When you receive your quotes, don't rush to make a decision. Take your time to review each quote in detail. Look beyond the bottom line price. Consider the coverage each policy offers, the deductibles you'll need to pay before your insurance kicks in, and the premiums you'll be paying monthly or annually. Also, pay attention to any additional benefits or features that a policy might include, such as roadside assistance or rental car coverage. These can add significant value to your policy and might make a slightly higher premium worthwhile. Compare the quotes carefully, considering coverage, deductibles, and premiums. This comparison will ensure you choose the best policy for your needs and budget. Work with the insurance agent to customize your policy to your specific needs. This is a crucial step in the process of obtaining car insurance, as it allows you to ensure that your policy is tailored to your unique circumstances and requirements. Insurance agents are experts in their field, equipped with a deep understanding of the various policy options and how they can be adjusted to suit individual needs. For example, if you have a brand new car, you might want to opt for full coverage, which includes both collision and comprehensive insurance. On the other hand, if you have an older vehicle, you may decide that liability coverage is sufficient. Take advantage of the agent's expertise by discussing your lifestyle, driving habits, and financial situation. These factors can have a significant impact on the type and extent of coverage that would be most beneficial for you. Remember, the goal is not just to find the cheapest policy, but to find the one that provides the best value for your money. This means a policy that offers the right balance between cost and coverage. Another aspect to consider when customizing your policy is the deductible. This is the amount you will have to pay out of your own pocket before the insurance coverage kicks in. A higher deductible usually means lower premiums, but it also means you'll pay more in the event of an accident. Lastly, don't forget to consider optional coverages like roadside assistance or rental car coverage. These add-ons can provide extra peace of mind, especially in unexpected situations. Don't hesitate to ask questions and clarify any doubts you may have. The more informed you are, the better your decisions will be, and the more confident you'll feel about your car insurance policy. Once you've made your decision, apply for coverage. This is the moment when all your research and preparation pay off. The application process may vary slightly depending on the insurance company you've chosen, but generally, it involves filling out a detailed form with your personal information, vehicle details, and the coverages you've selected. Don't worry, it's not as daunting as it sounds. Most insurance companies have made this process quite user-friendly. You can apply for coverage in three main ways. First, many insurers offer online applications, a quick, convenient method that allows you to apply at any time, from anywhere. Alternatively, you can apply over the phone. This method is ideal if you have questions or want to discuss your options with a representative. Finally, you can apply in person at an agent's office. This method provides a personal touch and allows for a more detailed conversation about your needs in the policy. You can usually do this online, over the phone, or in person at an agent's office. Review the policy documents carefully before signing. It may seem like a tedious process, but it's a step you cannot afford to skip. The policy document is a legally binding agreement that outlines your rights, responsibilities, and the details of your coverage. It's not just about reading the fine print, it's about understanding what you're signing up for. You'll find details about what's covered and what's not, your deductibles, policy limits, and how to file a claim. You'll also find information about your premium, which is the amount you pay to the insurance company for your coverage. Understanding these details can save you from unpleasant surprises in the future. In the policy, you'll also find information about your insurer's obligations. This includes how they handle claims and disputes, and their cancellation policy. Make sure you're comfortable with these terms. If you come across any terms or clauses that you don't understand, ask your insurance agent for clarification. Remember, it's their job to help you understand your policy. Don't rush this process. Take your time to read and understand everything. And if you're not comfortable with any part of the policy, don't hesitate to negotiate. You have the right to request changes or seek a different insurance provider if you're not satisfied. Make sure you understand the terms and conditions, coverage limits. This is your insurance policy, and it's essential to be fully informed before you commit. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to getting car insurance in the USA. We've walked through understanding the basics, determining your needs, researching insurance companies, gathering personal information, getting quotes, customizing your policy, applying for coverage, and reviewing before signing. Remember, knowledge is power, and the more informed you are, the better decisions you can make. Now, it's your turn to put these tips into action and start your car insurance process. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful guides like this one.